but it's always important for me to name these and frame these when we as clinical herbalists work with humans and with plants. There are some guiding principles, and all of them are really important to us, so that we first and foremost we understand plants as our allies, as fellow beings who we share this planet together. And so there's this sense of kinship and co-evolution, and how we approach working with them, rather than just commodifying them as something that we swallow to help us feel better or be better. Food as medicine is one of my favorite approaches when it comes to herbal support. Beyond this herb for that, I'll address this more, yeah, as we go along. Meaning, that's what I meant when I said there's no such thing as a menopause herb, and there is a place for this herb for that. There's a place for I have a sore throat. Is there some, what kind of herbal tea could I, for example, drink to help soothe that? That's absolutely a place for that. But if we're talking about bigger transitions and bigger conditions like the menopause transition, we really want to support the individual human and step into what I call plant-human matchmaking. There are the terms plant and human energetics. I'll speak more to that later a little bit. That is an important aspect of our work. And as I mentioned before, the pillars of well-being, that they are always, no matter if we're working with menopause or autoimmune support or anything else, the pillars of well-being are always taken into account. And then very important, the protocol safety, yeah. There, especially with regards to special circumstances, special vulnerable communities, people who are pregnant, there's certainly certain herbs we absolutely never want to work with. During pregnancy, there are possible herb-drug interactions, so we need to be mindful and knowledgeable of medications people take, and how to work with herbs, and again, what kind of herbs we may want to have to avoid during certain circumstances. And then last but absolutely not least, it's really important how the herbs are sourced. Do they come from sustainable and ethical sourcing?